I am here today to clean this filthy, dusty, dirty inversion table because I decided I'm going to stick it on Facebook Marketplace just to see what I can get for it. And it has been stored for a long time and it is a real mess. So I grabbed a bucket of water, and as I was reaching for my EnviroCloth, my hand went right past this little item. And I decided, holy cow, I bet that will be so much faster to clean this up. So I'm using my car mitt instead of my EnviroCloth to clean this up, and I think it's going to go a lot faster. Because look at all that chenille, all of that surface area that can get into all the nooks and crannies instead of a flat EnviroCloth. I can't wait. So I'm going to show you how it goes. Oh my goodness, that was so much faster. I love that this has so much surface area among all these little chenille fingers that it really goes so fast, a lot faster than using a flat EnviroCloth, because I didn't even hardly have to touch every surface because these will get into the nooks and crannies for me as I'm wiping past an area. So, man, car wash mitt, definitely not just for cars.